Is it time to buy or sell Intra-Cellular Therapies stock? In this video, we will explore Intra-Cellular Therapies in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 10th of January, 2025. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 10th of January, 2025, our system has classified Intra-Cellular Therapies as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we find it challenging to ascertain the stock's next trajectory, as it may move in either direction. The stock is currently positioned in the upper segment of a broad and weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back down towards the lower section of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $96.23 would initially signal a stronger upward movement. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 7.98% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 6.52% to positive 9.53%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 25.41% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 0.65% and 24.16%. This equates to a price range between $95.49 and $117.79 after a year. Our latest daily update for Intra-Cellular Therapies includes the headline, Significant Movements in Intra-Cellular Therapies Inc. Stock Price on Friday, with a fluctuation of 13.73% between high and low. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, the Intra-Cellular Therapies Inc. stock price rose by 14.91%, increasing from $82.56 to $94.87. During that day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 13.73%, ranging from a low of $86.52 to a high of $98.40. This price movement has shown a trend of ups and downs, leading to an overall gain of 11.3% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with 4 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 4 million shares changed hands for approximately $386.95 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $98.40, while the lowest was $62.78. Currently, the stock price stands 3.58%, or $3.52, below the 52-week high of $98.40, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Johnson & Johnson is reportedly exploring a bid to acquire Intra-Cellular Therapies, a development that could significantly impact Intra-Cellular's stock price in the short term. An acquisition bid often leads to speculative trading and can boost share prices as investors react positively to the prospect of a large pharmaceutical company showing interest. Just days earlier, Intra-Cellular announced it had settled patent litigation with Sandoz regarding its product Caplita, allowing Sandoz to potentially sell generic versions starting in the year 2040. While this may introduce competition in the long term, the settlement clears a significant legal hurdle and strengthens Intra-Cellular's market position in the immediate future. Adding to the positive momentum, Intra-Cellular is gearing up for the J.P. Morgan Healthcare Conference, where insights could drive further investor interest, potentially reinforcing the stock's appeal. The company's recent data presentations indicate strong revenue growth for Caplita, with a substantial year-over-year increase. Additionally, the supplemental new drug application submitted for Caplyta as an adjunctive therapy for major depressive disorder could enhance its market dominance and revenue streams. The combination of acquisition interest, legal settlements, and upcoming presentations positions Intra-Cellular favorably for both short-term gains and long-term growth, making it a stock to watch as the market reacts to these developments. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned ITCI an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, Goldman Sachs rated ITCI as neutral with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, Morgan Stanley gave ITCI an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 4th of October, 2024, RBC Capital assigned ITCI a underperform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, UBS rated ITCI as buy with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Intra-Cellular Therapies stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Intra-Cellular Therapies. Intra-Cellular Therapies Inc. stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. However, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being higher than the short-term average. On any downward corrections, support can be expected around $84.85 and $84.91. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, January 6, 2025, and thus far, the stock has appreciated by 16%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Notably, trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 65 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 139 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intra-Cellular Therapies. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $86.72 and $85.47. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead the stock to drop to the next support level. In this case, Intra-Cellular Therapies Inc. has support just below today's level at $86.72. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $85.47 and $84.75. Generally, the stock tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low. During the last day, the stock fluctuated $11.88 between its high and low points, or 13.73%. For the last week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 4.78%. Before we dive into the potential advantageous trading levels for Intra-Cellular Therapies, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may raise concerns about insufficient profitability and the potential risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 20th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -8 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for intracellular therapies. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Intra-Cellular Therapies encounters its first support level at 86.72. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intra-Cellular Therapies from various analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the last day of December in the year 2024, Rory B. Riggs made an insider purchase of 215 shares of common stock. On the 5th day of December in the year 2024, Sharon Mates executed an insider purchase of 51,697 shares of common stock. On the 4th day of December in the year 2024, Sharon Mates made another insider purchase of 51,000 shares of common stock. On the 4th day of December in the year 2024, Sharon Mates also conducted an insider sale of 27,667 shares of common stock. On the 5th day of December in the year 2024, Sharon Mates carried out an insider sale of 50,163 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 26.064. Overall, insiders acquired 653,568 shares and disposed of 1,106,765 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $91.38, representing a decrease of 3.68%. This stock exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which results in a low level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was established 3 days ago. Is Intra-Cellular Therapies stock a good buy? Intra-Cellular Therapies Inc. presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the moment, it is advisable to consider this stock as a hold candidate, suggesting either holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded since the last evaluation, moving from a sell to a hold or accumulate status. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 13th of January, we anticipate Intra-Cellular Therapies to open down by $1.61, starting trading at $93.26. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please refrain from basing your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.